In this video, I want to share with you how much money I made in the month of February for all my income streams. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and Etsy. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, usually I would just show you my sales from the day before from merch on demand and Etsy, but since this video is just about sales from last month, February, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to start off with merch, which is my favorite and usually my best or highest income stream. So here we are on my dashboard, and we just need to go to analytics right here and click on previous month. Now, January and February are usually the worst or the lowest months out of the year. So to be honest, I'm kind of glad February is over. Now we're into March. But here is how I did for February. So 793 sales. And I did $1,251 in royalties, averaging $157 per sale, which is kind of low. Everybody's been telling me to raise my prices. Yes, I know. This is how I do it every year. I keep them low for January and February. Now that we're past February, I bump up the prices. Yesterday, I was uploading or increasing a lot of my prices. So things should, this number should go higher for March. And usually the way things have gone for me previous years, January and February are pretty low. And then from like March till October, things just really start to pick up. But the cool thing about this is that, this 1,251 is all profit because I don't run ads anymore. If we go to advertise right here and then click on merch on demand ads, or this next button where my face is, so Amazon ads, we're going to see, hopefully my internet is fast so it doesn't take too long, but basically, I've just turned off all ads because I'm just tired of Amazon taking $500 from me each month. So here we go to ads. Maybe I'll pause the video. All right, so here we can see February 1st to February 28th, 2006. Nothing, no sales, no cost, no purchases, no ad cost, because I turned off all of my campaign, which is why all of this right here, go back to pretty much, we're going to see all of what I just showed you is going to be profit. So that is how much I did from merch, and it's actually a lot more than I did last year. I ended up doing like $1,400 last year, but I spent like $600 in sales. So last February I netted like $800, and this year I ended up doing, 1,251. So how much more is that? That's like $450 more, which is pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Etsy. All right, so here we are on my Etsy dashboard. We can see we got February 1st to February 28th. And actually, February was actually better than last year. You can see revenue increased 8% compared to the same period last year. So I ended up doing 159 orders. Let's see where there's more or less. Oh, yeah, I did more orders. Okay, so 5 more orders. Conversion rate, don't even really care about that. It decreased 35%, maybe because I had a lot more visits. Yeah, my visits increased 62%. Okay, that's kind of cool to see. And here is revenue. But I sell both print-on-demand products and digital downloads on my shop. And, Etsy has a lot of fees. I also turn off all my ads for Etsy as well. That's going to help with profit because whoops, what the heck is that? So here's my revenue right here. Now, this is revenue, not profit. I profit about 30%. So 30% of 2,300 is going to be probably somewhere around like $700 or something. That's how much I'm going to profit. And I ended up having a big day right here. This day kind of saved me right here. Someone ended up buying like 17 mugs. It was like a $400 order, and I think I profited like $250 or something like that. I'm always telling my school community to, sell mugs, because they just sell very well. They make great gifts, and sometimes you get these big orders like this. So that is how much I did for Etsy for the month of February. All right, and then the next income stream is going to be SKOOL. So if you don't know, I run a school community where I basically teach people how to make money with print on demand, with merch on demand, and with Etsy. I charge $24 a month. I have 57 members, and I really like SKOOL. I just think it's a great platform. I really enjoy, doing this type of work and, talking and messaging with the students or the people that are part of my school community. I actually have been working a lot on it and really trying to grow it. I'm looking at my goals on the top here, but I had 49 members last month in January. Now I'm up to 57. So it's nice to see that it's growing. It makes me happy. And if we go to my settings right here and then click on payouts, we're going to see that If it would just load. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, so right here we can see that, my payouts, now they pay out once a week. It's every Friday. So here we got February 4th, February 11th, February 18th, and 25. These were the payments: 161, 346, 115, and 366. If you add that up, I think it's like 988, or right under $1,000. So that was really cool to see. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of my other income streams. These three are like the biggest ones: merch on demand, Etsy, and SKOOL. But I have a bunch of other ones that are good, but they're just kind of like smaller amounts. All right, now I want to show you my 5 income streams for self-publishing books. So I self-publish audiobooks, ebooks, paperback books on several websites. So the first one is Authors Republic. This is for audiobooks. I love audiobooks. I just wish the sales would kind of pick up a little bit. But here we're going to see, so the orange line is 2026, and for January, $185. The way it usually works is kind of like a low payment, and then a big payment right here. This used to be really good. This used to be up to like 1,000. The third payment used to be actually more like 1,500. I had an audiobook go viral, but I think it kind of just died off. But you can see I did a little bit more than last year. So last year was 168, and this year was 185. And then the next one is going to be Drafted Digital. This is where I sell ebooks. Drafted Digital is basically like a book aggregator. So you upload to Drafted Digital, and then it will send your ebook out to like Amazon, to iTunes, Google Play, Barnes & Noble, things like that. And we're going to see that for February. I did $74. Publish Drive is basically the same thing as Drafted Digital. It's basically one of their competitors, and their website's kind of funky. It's kind of hard to understand, but it looks like they're just showing me earnings from December of last year. So, and I guess they haven't paid me for November either. So I'm not really sure what's going on here, but I guess $85 is what I made, or what they're going to pay me, or maybe they added up in 135. So that's going to be nice to get this payment right here. And then BabelCube is who I used to use to translate my ebook. So you can upload your ebook to this website, and then there's translators that will go ahead and basically upload it for you, and then they will send it out to all the websites that sell books, like Amazon, Google Play, like I just mentioned, and they have people that will translate to like all the languages: Italian, Spanish, French, there's a whole bunch. Now with ChatGPT, I don't use them because I don't really need them. I can just get rid of the middleman and just translate it myself. But since I have like 200 books on here, every month they pay out, usually it's like $50. But for February, it was 42, but you can see usually like 59, 61, 41, 48. Looks like it had a big one here. I actually think they added 2, but that is BabelCube. Excuse me. And then let me show you KDP, which actually sucked this month, or February. We're going to see that for February. Right here, you can see the dates. Only did $14. Basically, I wasn't able to sell any of my ebooks. I only sold my children's illustration books, but I made those with ChatGPT, and they didn't cost me anything. So that's pretty cool, and they're actually selling. So I probably should not be complaining. So if we add these all up, 14 plus 135, so what is that? 150 plus 75, and what is that? 185. So 250 plus 150, what is that? Is that $400? Something like that. So I made around $400 with all of my ebooks. And now let's go ahead and share with you just the last couple other income streams. And then my last 3 income streams are going to be Creative Fabrica, Adobe Stock, and YouTube. So for Creative Fabrica for February, I ended up doing $32. I actually did really well on Creative Fabrica in December. I think I did like $200. So there's a lot of potential here. But basically why I made so much is because I did a whole bunch of 6-7 designs, and those sold really well. I did like 6-7 Thanksgiving designs and 6-7 Christmas designs. So maybe I should have done some 6-7 designs for like St. Patrick's Day or something. But the only problem is that with like people, they'll download my designs and then they basically just upload them onto Etsy and sell them as digital downloads, which kind of sucks. And I have to like tell them to take it down, which is kind of annoying. So that is how much I did for Creative Fabrica. Adobe Stock was doing really good. You can see here, like I was getting lots of sales or downloads in last year in December, beginning of January, but it's just really just died off. maybe doing, I think I did like $20 or something in Adobe stock, so nothing really too much to brag about there. And then the last one is going to be YouTube, which has also kind of gone down. So here are my channel analytics revenue, and we're going to see that December was good, $63, but it's just gone down for February. For January 44, and then for February only 26. So don't really know what's going on there. I mean, I'm uploading basically the same amount of content, but just this is money from the ads, the ads that they show on for Google on my videos, AdSense is what I'm trying to say. But those are basically all of my income streams. And if we add all of them up, if we take merch on demand, SKOOL, ESTY, all my ebooks, Creative Fabrica, Adobe stock, and YouTube, I think it comes out to approximately like $3,500. So that's how much I made in profit for February, which, hey, it's not too bad. I'll take it, but it's not enough. I have that goal for 10,000. So I definitely have some work cut out for me. When I made that goal, I knew that the first few months of the year were going to kind of not be that good. And my best chance to hit that goal is probably going to be in the summer or actually early fall, because that's usually when I have my most amount of sales on merch on demand. I do have an ace up my sleeve, which hopefully will hit big again at the beginning of fall. But just going to have to wait and stay tuned. So comment below. Let me know what you think about my sales, my earnings. Let me know if you think I'll hit my goal. If you want to join my SKOOL community, the link is in the description. You get niches and prompts every day. You can watch this video, or you can click on the link in the description, watch this video. I'll also have the same video just somewhere right around the screen. But check it out if you're interested. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content here on YouTube. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Adios.